In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a professional investor email writing assistant to streamline your fundraising communications. Let's get started. I begin by defining the AI's role, asking it to help me draft compelling emails that demonstrate traction while maintaining a confident and respectful tone. ChatGPT responds by outlining a strategic approach that prioritizes high-impact signals like revenue and growth over long backstories. It suggests a clean structure that includes a curiosity-driven subject line and a low-pressure ask to ensure the investor feels engaged rather than sold to. Next, I provide specific details for a cold outreach email regarding a startup called TaskFlow, including our impressive 22% growth and current subscriber count. The generated email is professional and direct, immediately highlighting our strong month-over-month growth and project management focus. It effectively translates our raw data into a narrative of success, concluding with an invitation for a short 15-minute call to discuss the opportunity further. To stay on the investor's radar, I prompt the AI to write a friendly follow-up email that adds a new piece of valuable information to the conversation. This follow-up focuses on our latest milestone of reaching $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue while maintaining a high customer retention rate. It keeps the tone light and helpful, ensuring we stay top of mind without appearing overly persistent. Finally, I ask for a comprehensive monthly update email to send to our existing investors and warm leads to keep them updated on our latest wins and challenges. The resulting update is perfectly formatted with clear sections for key metrics, product highlights, and our current pre-seed funding goals. It provides a transparent look at our operations, showing both our successes in user collaboration and our proactive approach to addressing onboarding friction. This structured communication helps build long-term trust and keeps our backers excited about our progress. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.